So you want to be a gold saver, and also you want to start your home-based business in KaratBars. Well, I'm going to show you how simple it is to be the CEO of your own KaratBars network. Now, let's say, for instance, you registered for free and decided you wanted to extend your business and become a gold member. The first thing you want to do is find two people that also want to save in gold bullion and maybe also want to start a business, a home-based business for themselves, just like you did. Those first two people that you introduce to KaratBars will be considered your first generation, and you will earn 10% direct commission on everyone that you directly refer to KaratBars. Now, you as the CEO of your network will have to support your team by making sure they understand to save at least 1 gram of gold a month, why that's important, and also encouraging them to attend team meetings and plug into our system. And this is your second generation. You will earn 3% direct commissions on activity that's produced in your second generation. Now, as your network grows, so does your influence, and your team is counting on you to keep them informed and motivated, and also how to use this simple two-person referral system. Now we're on your third generation, in which you will receive 2% direct commissions on activity on your third generation. Direct commission ends at the third generation. However, don't worry about that, because we have a more powerful commission system called dual team payout, where you can earn points from an unlimited or infinite number of generations. Those points add up to commission payouts, and the size of your payout depends on your business status in the KaratBars network. Anyone can use our system of saving gold, telling as many people as you can, and earning as much income as you want. KaratBars International is an e-commerce company located in Stuttgart, Germany, that has made a simple wealth building system available to all of us. Save in 24 karat gold bullion. Go out and talk to as many people as you can about what you're doing to protect your wealth, and earn an unlimited amount of residual income for doing so. And now it all starts with you. You can easily take advantage of our system by registering your free account, plugging in, and following the steps that your sponsor is recommending to you. Good afternoon, it's your sponsor, Lucky Rico, and I'm here once again. It's Thursday, November 7th, and we're here to talk about KaratBars, KaratGold, this gold imperium, and just spread a lot of good information about what we're doing in 24 karat gold bullion and cryptocurrency. I represent an organization called KaratBars International. I'm an independent business partner of KaratBars International, and my job is just to inform all of you about what they have going on. Yes, this company was mentioned in Forbes as one of the top blockchain companies to look after in 2019. And the reason is because Mr. Harold Seitz built a successful gold refining business, all right, an e-commerce company for your gold. A lot of times I refer to it as the Amazon for your gold, because anytime you want to buy gold bullion, you can just go in, put it in your cart, check out, pay for it, they'll ship it to you. All right, most places won't ship you a gram of gold, but KaratBars will ship you a gram of 24 karat LBMA certified gold bullion. And let's start right here at gold, because gold right now is trading at 1,484, right around that price. We are still, ladies and gentlemen, right around the bottom portion of this upward trend. We're still in that channel. We haven't completely broken down out of this channel, even though it has. We've adjusted this bottom line just a tad bit in this dump in gold right here, because what we saw just a few days ago was the gold fell from the top portion of the Ichimoku cloud support down to the bottom part of the cloud, which is holding right now. And there's actually a name for the bottom moving average of this cloud and the top. I just don't know what it is. I did know what it was at one point, but I've forgotten. But there's actually a technical name for this area that outlines this Ichimoku cloud. All right, so we do see that the price action is still respecting this upward trend, so that's a good sign. We're not moving too far down. I think we would have to worry if we drop below the 1459, 1460 mark right here. This was the bottom of this last sell-off here, where the bears came in and kind of took over and brought gold down. But since then, we've seen a recovery, some bullish action, and some sideways trading. So I ran across this article on FX Empire, and basically gold is trading lower today because there's a greater demand for riskier assets. So we're seeing some strength in the stock market, and people are jumping in and out of these asset classes. A weaker US dollar is helping to slow down the selling pressure. All right. The catalyst behind the price action is renewed optimism over the U.S.-China trade relations as positive news about lower tariffs offset concerns about the timing and location of the signing of a trade deal. So basically what they're saying is they're just, hey, we have an agreement, but they haven't set a date to actually sign something to formalize the agreement. But even with that news, we're seeing gold, kind of level off, lose a little bit of its upward movement. But as long as we continue to follow this upward trend line, I think we're in good shape, because that's just going to put us eventually in that 1520, between 1508 and 1520 when we break through this cloud. So let's pull out. We do see that we have a red cloud forming. It's a level cloud. It's not pointing down, so I think that's a good sign. Once these clouds start pointing downwards, then you got to start looking at where you can make a safe exit out of your position. That's just my opinion. This is what I use the Ichimoku cloud for. You'll find many people that say they don't like to use the Ichimoku cloud, and that's fine. But I don't like to use a lot of the other indicators. But I really like what the Ichimoku shows me. Gives me a quick view into what's going on with that asset and whether I want to be in it or not in it. So this is what we have been following, gold by the ounce. Now let's go over to coin market cap. Let's look at the total crypto market. It's 249,487,662 at the current moment. All right, Bitcoin dominance is 66.9%. Bitcoin is right now about 9,200, 9,256 to be exact, 9,256.99 to be exact. And we always have to look at Bitcoin because we measure everything against Bitcoin. But with KaratBars, we have our own cryptocurrencies. We have two, as a matter of fact. KaratGold coin, KBC coin, are the letters KBC. You can go out to CoinMarketCap and look for KaratGold coin. And right now we are trading at about 2 cents, right around the 2 cents area. We've been at 2 cents for a very long time. For the last really 3 or 4 weeks, we've been kind of stable at 2 cents. But we know that our project is really launching. All right, December 15th, we understand that the Gold Standard Bank is opening a branch in Brazil. All right, that's major news because we are expanding the reach and what we're doing all over the world and really making it gold accessible to anyone that wants to own gold. And one way you can own gold is to at least own 100 KBC coin, because 100 KBC coin can be exchanged into a physical gram of gold. Now, look, I got some information for you. If you were not registered with KaratBars International before July 5th, 2019, then in order to make this exchange possible, you have to hold a gold status with KaratBars International. That's the new requirement. So not anyone can now come in just out of nowhere with 100 coins and say they want a gram. All right, that's not how the ecosystem is going to work anymore. If you want to start exchanging your cryptocurrency into gold, you have to at least have a gold status with KaratBars. All right, that's the news. So look, let's get into some comments on the channel, because I saw a few comments that I did want to look over and maybe respond to. But my downline purchased the K1 Impulse package for 1250 euros. What does he get and what does I get in terms of coins? It doesn't explain on the site where you purchase at. Okay, well, let's look at the site and let's go to products. We're going to look at K1 Impulse. When you go out and order a package number 1, which is 1,250 euros, you're going to get the phone, the K1 Impulse phone, and you're going to get a silver status with KaratBars. Silver status with KaratBars. Now let's see, if you get the 1750 K1 phone, you're going to get the K1 phone and gold status. Gold status. So coins aren't coming with these packages anymore. All right. If you are the seller of these, you'll get your 10% direct commission. That's what you should be looking out for. But if you get the package number 3, I believe the package number 3 comes with a little bit more. Comes with a VIP status, 2,500 euros. So it looks like they're not even giving out coins anymore. Man, they were giving out cryptocurrency and everything when you bought a K1 phone, and people missed it. Wow. All right, so let's look at another comment really quick. This guy, Rudy. Rudy, he came up. I guess he found that Dubai investors that promised 12 trillion grams of gold, the ridiculous story that we covered like 2 weeks ago. Now he's shilling this story on this site out of all channels to shill that story to after we've already covered it. So I responded to him. I had to let him know that I did check his YouTube channel, and it looks very fake, just like the story he's trying to post. So I told him where to go look to find the video that we did on that story. All right, thank you. Ezzy Mimbo Beta, KaratBars Gold is the way. Yes, indeed, it sure is. Thank God I found KaratBars. Keep your KCB and KBC coins, people. Absolutely, you want to keep those. Val Ansley, thank you so much for that comment. JC, hello sir, Lucky Rico. I'm not a member of KaratBars, but I bought the KBC coin in an exchange. Is it possible for me to exchange 100 KBC to 1 gram of gold in KaratBit, even if I'm not an affiliate? Your response will be greatly appreciated. You can sign up for KaratBit without being a KaratBars affiliate. You can trade, you can move your coins around. If you want to exchange your coins into gold, you have to hold a gold status. That means you have to be registered with KaratBars. So I hope that answers your question. You won't be able to exchange your 100 KBCs into a gram unless you become a member of KaratBars and hold a gold status in KaratBars. A lot of people don't like it, but I love it. You know, and the reason I love it is because I've been involved with KaratBars, the crypto project, since the start. All right, and I'm interested in being able to get my gold when it's time for me to go get it. You know, and JC, although I appreciate you, you know, you haven't put in the work. You haven't put in the sweat. You haven't been on the conference calls. You haven't talked to hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people about this project. You haven't done the groundwork. So as much as I'm excited that you're part of, you know, what we're doing, you don't deserve to get gold before I get gold. That's just how I feel. I think the company feels the same way. At least put some sweat in the game, become a gold member, and then you can start exchanging your 100 KBCs for 1 gram of gold. And by the way, the exchange rate goes to 75 KBCs in January for 1 gram of gold for all those who's paying attention. All right, where can I trade 100 KBCs in Canada for 1 gram of gold? All right, so there's going to be a website coming out where the CEMs are going to be located. I believe there are already CEMs in Canada. I can't give you the addresses right now. I will, you know, when I find out about them. I know K Merchant has a place where they have an ATM locator, CEM locator on the website. On my next video, maybe I'll go through the CEM locator and see if that's up and running. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for all of your comments. Miss Hassana Thomas, I appreciate the video, very useful, thank you. Hopefully we'll record another tutorial that shows how we can go and buy more KBC and converting our tokens into dollars. Well, you know, I can say, Miss Hassana, is that you can find many videos on YouTube that that go through tutorials about moving your coins around, how to sell, how to buy, you know, on exchanges, how to protect them and store your coins in your wallets, how to protect your private keys and all of that stuff. So all that information is widely available on YouTube. And I recommend anyone interested in cryptocurrency learn how to protect themselves before they put a whole lot of money in crypto. Just my opinion. 10 pounds sterling, KBC to the moon. Yes, sir. All right. I'm with you on that, brother. Costa 1000X, when you'll be able to access the machine in your vicinity. What a fake looking ATM by Steve Bankroll. Wow. I don't get it. Everybody's seen the ATM. It's touchscreen. You know, you scan the QR code. It's not like a regular ATM that you are traditionally used to. This is the future of ATMs, what we're talking about. This is a CEM. You get gold out of the machine. The closest machine that I know that's close to me right now is in Maryland. So that's probably where I'll be going. I've been converting my 100 KBCs into gold daily. I've been creating QR codes daily because when I go to get my gold, I'm not going to get just 2 or 3 grams. I'm going to get 20 or 30 grams. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it goes down. Back to number 66. So yeah, we're back on CoinMarketCap, ladies and gentlemen, and it's just great to be a part of a project that's so amazing. And with that, that's really all I have for you today. What I do want to do is invite you to come join me. All right, come be part of what we're doing. We're bringing gold back to the people in an easy, friendly, no hassle manner. All right, if you don't want to get involved in cryptocurrency, you don't have to. It's not necessary to be part of crypto, but people like me to understand that that's where the future's going. We're getting there early. We understand how to navigate and protect ourselves. We know we are our own banks now. And we know that many people just aren't ready yet. We get it. You don't want to take the time to learn about it. We understand. That's no big deal. So cryptocurrency is optional to you, but at least get yourself some gold bullion. That's easy. That's nothing but going to the website, putting how many grams or ounces you want in your cart and checking out and waiting for your FedEx delivery. That's a no-brainer. It doesn't take much more to do than that. And then store it and protect it, you know, however you see fit for yourself. You want to make sure you protect your assets. So if you want to be part of my network, if you want to join the Lucky Rico team, just go to my website, goldbackers.com or goldbackers.info. I got all my information right there. There's some videos for you to watch just so you can get a better understanding on what exactly we're doing. All right, then just use one of the register buttons, register your free account. If you want to exchange these KBCs into gold, you got to be a gold member if you're not already registered with KaratBars. People registered before the July 4th time frame are grandfathered in. You know, those people that are not gold members can still exchange their coins. But this is why it's important, ladies and gentlemen, to move now and not wait till later, because you're going to miss the sweet spot. You're going to miss the best place to be, you know, when this thing takes off. All right, people that are waiting to the last minute, welcome. All right, but you know, you got to put some skin in the game. All right, that's all I got for you today. Talk to you again maybe tomorrow or Saturday. Good day.